Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update on the Ford Flex smoking issue. Finally heard back from the shop today. They are saying that it is the left turbo that needs to be replaced. Some of you all called that off the top, so congratulations to you for being right. So they quoted me like $1,600 after tax. That's way high. I remember I had the Ford dealer do it for like $1,200. So I'm not sure what the shop I took it to is doing. They're probably just charging me the price from Ford and keeping the core fee for themselves. So I'm obviously not going to pay 1,600 and some change to have this repair done. I know that there's a Ford dealer that I ordered the right turbo from, and that one was like 695, before tax, whatever. So at most, that's going to be, about $800 once I send in the core. So I'm going to go that route with that. So hope this helps you guys. I'll let you know when I get the car back. It'll probably be maybe a week and a half because the part is coming from California. Oh, wait a minute. Correction. The turbos are on back order from Ford. So I got to try to find somewhere that has it in stock before the middle of next month, right? That's what they're quoting me. So if you got a turbo issue, your car is probably going to sit. So just wanted to let you know. And today is what, 26th of April or something like that. But anyway, so we'll get the turbo looked at, get it replaced at some point. If anybody has any ideas of what turbos to use instead of the official Ford part, let me know. Or if you have a connection with Ford where you can somehow magically get me a left-hand turbo for my Flex, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much. Take care.